Every time you feel called to move forward, something stops you. It might sound like, what if I fail? Or, I'm not ready yet. But what's really happening is one core pattern. Fear is taking the wheel. Let's fix that. Fear feels like a wall. It locks up your body, scrambles your logic. You say, I'll do it later. But later turns into never. Most people try to fight fear with motivation or positive thinking. But motivation doesn't override your nervous system. And fear isn't just a feeling, it's a function. Here's the real issue. Fear is part of your biological wiring. But when it loops unchecked, it blocks your higher intelligence. It chokes your vision until all you can see is risk. And when that happens enough, you start believing the fear is you. But fear isn't truth. It's just a signal, like a blinking dashboard light. It's meant to alert, but not decide. Think mechanical. In Ascend Corps, we teach that fear is feedback from a system loop. It's your mind running a simulation and mistaking it for reality. You don't need to overpower fear. You rewire how you respond to it. Here's the framework. Pause, track, shift. 1. Pause. When fear hits, stop movement. Stillness is your reset point. Don't push through. That builds resistance. Just pause. Breathe. Don't solve it. Watch it. 2. Track. Name the pattern. Not just I'm afraid, but what loop is playing. Example, I'm afraid of failing. That's the control loop. Your system trying to avoid loss. Label it clearly. This separates you from the pattern. 3. Shift. Redirect the energy. Shift from what might go wrong to what movement is aligned right now. One step, one action. Not to kill the fear, but to lead anyway. Fear will still fire. That's normal. But when you run pause, arrow, track, arrow, shift, you move from being looped by fear to leading through it. This is just the start. Rewiring fear at the circuit level clears the channel between your soul and your systems. Want to learn how? Step into the method at https://ascendcorps.com. Restore right movement. Transmit clear signal.